What's up, guys? Today we're going to learn Tom Petty's song For Real. This is a previously unreleased track, so it's new to us. I'll break it down chord for chord. The strumming pattern's pretty easy. We're going to use all open chords on this version. And the recorded tuning's a little funky, and we'll talk about that once we get into the chord analysis. But for now, let's get started. My name is Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. If you learned something from the video, please consider liking as well as subscribing. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Those links will be in the description. Let's get started. Okay, let's talk about the tuning on this song. So we're going to learn it in standard tuning, but if you want to play with the recording, it's a little bit sharp. If you have one of those snark tuners, it would be like 4 yellow lines to the sharp side, to the right side, and you would have to tune all 6 strings to the notes they're at, but just a little bit sharp on each string. For today, we are going to learn this song in standard tuning. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. We've got an E minor, that's open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So 2nd fret, 5th string with the index, 2nd fret, 4th string with the middle, strum all 6. We've got an A major, that's open, 2, 2, 2, open. So 2nd fret, 4th string with the middle, 2nd fret, 3rd string with the 2nd, 2nd fret, 2nd string with the 3rd finger. Strum from the 5th down. Then you've got an F, but we're going to kind of make it easier and do like an open F. Alright, so we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky on the 3rd fret, 4th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index, 1st fret, 2nd string. We're going to strum those middle 4 only if you can. Alright, so we're going to skip the 6th and the 1st. Their index kind of naturally mutes the 1st. So we're going to call that our F. Then we've got the G, which is 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and 3rd fret, 1st string. And we strum all 6, alright? Then we've got an A minor, which is open, 2, 2, 1, open. So that's 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, and you strum from the 5th string down. Okay, then we've got a D/F sharp, or a D over F sharp if you're used to hearing it that way. So what we're going to do is put our index on the 6th string, 2nd fret, our middle finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and our 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And we're going to strum from the 6th string through the 2nd string. Our index kind of mutes this 5th string, so you hit it, but you don't hear it. And then our 3rd finger kind of mutes the 1st string, so you can hit it, and then you don't hear it, but that's the sound of that. And then we've got a C major chord. Alright, that's 3, 2, open, 1, open. So 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, open, and 1st fret, 2nd string. And you strum from the 5th string down. Okay, so let's talk about the chords in the strumming pattern for the intro and the verse, because it's the same thing for both. Alright, so we've got an E minor, an A, an F, and a G. We're doing a measure of each of those. The intro is 1 time through this, and you're going to kind of just chug along 8th notes, all down strums. So it's, and I'm going to palm mute a little bit, put my hand back here on this bridge and kind of mute them a little bit. So it's E minor, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And literally only downs. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A, 2, 3, 4 to F, 2, 3, 4 to G, 2, 3, 4, and that's the same thing. So that intro is 1 time through that progression. The first verse is 4 times through that progression. So you're going to do the exact same thing through that 4 times. And then when you get to the chorus, we're going to do a simple down-up strum, okay? So it's down, up, all right? The whole time is how we're going to do it. And we're going to start with A minor. So it's A minor, and I'll talk you through it. 2, A minor again, 2, 3, 4, and to D/F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we're going to go to G, 1, 2, and then D/F sharp, 3 and 4, and to E minor, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then the walk down again, G, 2, 3, 4, and D/F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to A minor, 1, 2, 3, minor, A, F, G. So I'll play kind of full speed through that chorus. So down, up, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk down G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Back to A minor, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so after that chorus, you go right back to another verse. This time, the verse only happens twice. Then you've got another chorus. Then you've got an instrumental, same thing as the verse in the intro, and that's 2 times through that. Then you've got a verse again 2 times, chorus, the intro, instrumental 1 more time, and then you've got an instrumental, which is the same chords as the intro and the verse, 2 times, and you ring out on a G. So there's literally only 2 parts to the song, the intro verse chords and the chorus chords. All right, that's everything you need to learn this song. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate the support. Have a great day.